AI can make a good looking product ad now. The harder part is what happens when almost everything works, except for one small detail. Normally, you regenerate the whole thing and hope you don't lose the shots that were already good. So today I'm making a 30-second cinematic commercial for my own sunglasses brand, Chronos, using Seedance 2.5 inside CapCut PC. And there's one update I've really been waiting for. Seedance 2.5 now supports 1080p generation. Honestly, 720p was one of the main things holding it back for me, so this is a pretty big upgrade. The CapCut PC link is in the description by the way if you want to check it out. One generation 16:9 full 1080p. Then I'm going to fix the parts I don't like without regenerating the entire ad. I'm starting with two product shots of the Chronos sunglasses from different angles plus a detailed character sheet of the model. Inside CapCut PC I go to Media, Generate AI Video and select Seedance 2.5. I'm setting the format to 16:9, the length 30 seconds and this time I can generate at 1080p. For a product like this that matters. The frames are thin, the lenses have a subtle gradient and there are small metal details that needs to hold up. Seedance 2.5 can also work with up to 50 multimodal reference assets, although I definitely don't need that many here. The concept is simple. I want a premium summer fashion commercial. We start with the glasses on light natural stone. The model enters, picks them up, puts them on and walks through a bright Mediterranean style space. Warm sunlight, soft shadows, rose and champagne tones, then a few tighter product shots. I also want one short line of dialogue. I don't want this to feel like a UGC ad, but without dialogue you could watch the whole commercial and never hear the brand name. Then we finish on a clean hero shot. I'm using timestamp instruction to guide the sequence.
Summer moves differently in Chronos.
Okay, this is actually pretty close. The opening looks good, the color palette stays consistent and the model holds up well across different shots. I also like the dialogue, it's short, but now Chronos is actually part of the commercial. There is one visual problem though. Right here, for a few seconds the lenses suddenly get much darker. They almost look like a different pair of sunglasses. The rest of the shot works, so I don't want another 30-second generation. I only want to fix those few seconds. And here's one editing problem. This walking section is too slow, it stays on the same movement for too long, and the ad loses energy before the final product shot. So I have one visual fix and one pacing fix. Let's start with the lenses. I select only the section where they get too dark and open AI Edit. Then I type, restore the exact Chronos sunglasses from the reference image, keep the soft rose pink gradient lenses, thin gold bridge and temples, and transparent rose temple tips. Keep the model, lighting, pose and camera movement unchanged. Generate. And here we go, same shot, same model, same movement, but the lenses stays much closer to the original product. That's what I want from localized editing. Why regenerate 30 seconds when I only need to fix 3 or 4? Now the visual problem is fixed, but the pacing issue is still obvious. The walking section is too long and the final Chronos hero shot feels rushed. So this time I use Edit Pilot. I type, shorten the walking section by about 3 seconds, keep the product close up and the dialogue and give that extra time to the final Chronos hero shot. AI Edit fixed one specific visual problem. Edit Pilot, it's helping me change the pacing of the edit. And the difference is easy to feel. We get to the walk faster, the dialogue lands sooner and the final product shot has enough time to breathe. There's one more Seedance 2.5 feature worth mentioning. The native generation is 30 seconds, but with AI Extend we can continue the sequence twice and take the full video up to 90 seconds. If this commercial ended before the message was complete, I could extend it instead of generating a separate scene. But I'm not going to do that here. I like the ending now. We get the dialogue, the product and the clean final Chronos hero shot. So I'm keeping it at 30 seconds and from here is the normal editing part. The commercial already has the dialogue and the ambient sound I want, so I'm not going to rebuild everything just to show the timeline. But this is still a full multi-track editor. I can add music, caption, transition, extra b-roll, sound effects or brand graphics. I can trim clips, move shots around, reorganize the sequence and work with different elements on separate tracks. The AI gives me the material and helps me fix specific problems. Then the timeline gives me the final creative control. So here's the original and here's the finished version. I kept the opening, the model, the dialogue, the camera movement and the product shot I liked. I only fixed the few seconds where the lenses become too dark and I tightened the one section where the pacing was too slow. I didn't need to throw away a usable 30-second commercial because two small things weren't working. That's what makes this workflow interesting to me. Seedance 2.5 can give me a full 30-second sequence, and having 1080p generation directly inside CapCut PC makes sense for product videos where small details matter. If I need a longer version, AI Extend could take that sequence up to 90 seconds. For this ad I didn't need it, but generation is only half the workflow. What I really want from an AI video generator is the ability to keep working after I get the result. And when something is wrong, I'd much rather fix 4 seconds than regenerate 30. That's where Seedance 2.5 AI Edit, Edit Pilot and multi-track timeline starts to work together. Generate the ad, fix the part that needs fixing, adjust the pacing, and then use the normal editor for music, caption, transition, shot order, and final polish if you need it. The CapCut PC link is in the description if you want to try it. That's it for this one. I'm really curious to see where Seedance goes from here. I'll see you in the next one.